I welcome you all, my dear students. Today we are going to study about chapter number 14, mensuration. Question number 1. Let us start with exercise 14.1. It is asking you find the perimeter of a square whose side is 6 centimeter. We know that the formula for perimeter of a square is equals to 4 into side. And what is the side? Side is 6. So 4 6 are 24 centimeter. Now let us start with question number 2. It is asking you find the length of the fencing wire needed to fence a square field. Wherever fencing, it is asking, it means they're talking about boundary. Boundary means perimeter. So what will be the required length? Required length of the fencing wire as it is in the shape of a square field. So we will write down it will be equals to 4 into side. That is 4 into 20 and 24 is the 80 meter. Question number 3. Perimeter of a square is already given to us. So first we'll write down what is given to us. That perimeter of a square is already given to us, that is 28 centimeter. And we know that the formula perimeter of a square is 4 into side. So into 4 will go that side, it will become divided by 4. 4 cents are 28. So the required length of the side is how many centimeter? 7 centimeter. Question number 4. Here it is given if the perimeter of a rectangle is 16 centimeter. So what is given that we will write it down, that perimeter of a rectangle is given to us as 16. We know that the formula perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times length plus breadth. Into 2 will go that side, it will become divided by 2 and 2 8 just 16. So the first thing we have taken it out, that the sum of length and breadth is 8 centimeter. Now question is asking if breadth, we need to find the breadth if its length is given to us. So in this equation number A, we can put for B part that if length is 5 centimeter, then L plus B is 8. So 5 plus breadth will be 8. So in that case, our breadth will be 8 minus 5 and that will be 3 centimeter. Now let us deal with the last question, question number 5. Question number 5, it is saying you need to find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. So we know that the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equals to 3 into side, as all the 3 sides are equal. So 3 into 6, that is 18 centimeter, will be the perimeter of that equilateral triangle. Now let us start with exercise 14.3. Question number 1. In question number 1, it has been given that the length of the side of a square are up to A to E, where it has given different measurement. We need to find the area of those squares along with its sides is given to us. In the very first, we can see that the side of the square is 5 centimeter. And we know that the formula for area of a square is side into side. So 5 into 5 will become 25 centimeter square. Again, it is given for 3 decimeter. Again, 3 into 3. The area of this square will be 9 decimeter square. 7.5 into 7.5 meter. Again, we need to multiply 7.5 into 7.5. And the answer will be 56.25 meters square. Now the next question, in the next question, it is 1 meter 25 centimeter, two different unit it is given. So if you are converting the whole in meter, it will become 1.25 meter. And again, the area of the square will be 1.25 into 1.25. On multiplying it, we will be getting the answer as 1.5625 meters square. At the last, we are again having the side of 4.2 decimeters. So area of its square will be 4.2 into 4.2. On multiplying, we will be getting the area of this square as 17.64 decimeters square. Now question number 2, we are having fill in the blanks. 1 meter square equals to how many centimeters square? For this, we know that 1 meter square can be written as 1 meter into 1 meter. That is 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. So that will become 10,000 centimeters square. So here we can write down it is 10,000 centimeters square. 1 hectare equals to 100 areas. And 1 hectare is equals to again 10,000 meters square. 1 area is equals to 100 meters square. Now 520 areas is how many hectare? We know that 1 hectare is equals to 100 areas. So 1 area will be equals to 1 by 100 hectares. So similarly, we are having here 520 areas. So 520 areas will be equals to 520 by 100 hectares. So 0 will get cancelled, 1 will bring one place of decimal, and this will become 5.2 hectares. So we are going to write down over here, it is 5.2 hectares. Again, we know that 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 centimeters square, and 1 centimeter square equals to 1 by 10,000 meters square. Similarly, in F part, we are having 5,600 centimeters square need to be converted to meter square. We need to divide it with 5,600 with 10,000. So on dividing with 10,000, 20 will get cancelled, and 20 will bring two place of decimal. This will be 0.56 meters square. So we will write down 0.56 meters square is the answer. Now next, it is given the area of a square whose perimeter is given to us as 48 meter. So we will write it down, question number 3. Already perimeter of a square is given to us, and that is 48. We know the formula of perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square is 4 into side. So 4 into side is equals to 48. Into 4 will go that side. It will become divided by 4. So that will become 12 meter. Now this is the side of the square. Now it is asking you find the area of a square. So area of a square will be equals to side into side, that is 12 into 12. And the square of 12 is 144 meter square. In question number 4, it is asking find the number of tiles required to fit in the floor in the shape of a square of side 12 meter. It depends on two things. That number of tiles can be calculated if we know what is the area of room and what is the area of each square tile. Okay, so area of room is in the shape of square, so that is side into side, but the side of the square room is given in meter and the square of tile is given in centimeter. So 12 meter can be said as 1200 centimeter because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So area of room equals to side into side, we can write down 1200 into 1200. But area of each square tile is in the measurement of 15 centimeters, so that is 15 into 15. Now what can happen in the table of 15? 1200 is there. 1200 divided by 15 will be 80. Similarly, again it will be 80. 80 into 80 is 6400. So what is the required number of tiles? And the required number of tiles is 6400.